Let's say you've implemented a bunch of social listening strategies and you've gained some valuable insights about your customers, potential customers, and competitors. Tracking and analyzing data collected from your social media platforms can provide even more insight into your campaign's performance, which you can use to adapt your social media strategy to make your campaign more successful. For example, you might realize that a particular post is generating a lot of engagement, so you decide to create a similar post like it. Once you've collected the data, you can report on it and the strategic decision that you've made based on your analysis to the team members, stakeholders, and clients. That brings us to the fourth pillar of social media marketing: analytics and reporting. In a later course, we'll explore how to use analytics for all of your marketing channels. In this section, you'll learn what social media analytics involves and why it is so beneficial for your marketing campaigns. We'll discuss common metrics to track in your social media campaigns and how different platforms define their metrics differently. You'll explore some popular social media analytics tools and learn how to use them. You'll also learn how to conduct social media testing. We'll also talk about how to analyze the data you've collected to inform your decision-making and overall marketing strategy. Finally, we'll discuss how to share your analysis and findings through social media reports. We'll discuss what information a social media report should include and how to present it. You'll also be introduced to some tools and templates that can help you create social media reports. Meet me in the next video to get started.